Hey guys, today is Sunday and I'm going to have brunch with a friend. It's a last minute plan. So pag mga last minute plans talaga ay natutuloy. Anyway, this is the bus that I'm going to take to Kanatur. It's a rainy season. Maulan talaga dito for 2 weeks na, non-stop. The fare is 27 rupees. It's like a 20-minute commute from the nearest bus stop to our place to Kanatur. So pagbaba ko, itong sumalubong sa akin, sobrang maputik talaga kasi it's been raining non-stop for 2 weeks and it's going to continue, I guess. I'm not so sure. But ganun talaga pag rainy season. And this is the apartment complex where she lives. So tara, guluhin natin yung bahay nila at yung kusina. Let's see what we can do to help. And ito naman, pakit na ako ng bahay nila sa lift na to. Nakalimutan ko actually kung ano yung level, what floor sila nakatira, kung anong level. Alam ko lang yung unit number but not the level. So nag-guess ako na 4th floor. Ito yung, which is tama naman yung guess ko. And then ito yung view going up. Maganda yung view, di ba? So ito na tayo sa bahay nila. Hello, hello! And this is the view from their balcony. So, ang ganda, diba? Overlooking the ocean. Although, it's a bit malayo, pero maganda talaga yung view at masarap ang hangin. So, ang sarap magkape dito sa terrace, patambay-tambay. So, tara, mag-start na tayo magluto. So, may fried rice tayo and daing na bangus. And also, we're gonna have some sunny side up. And ito yung rice. And gumawa din siya ng blueberry pancakes for the kids. Ayan na, tapos na tayo magluto. Nagdagdag pala kami ng chicken. So, ako nagluto ng egg and ng fried rice and siya yung gumawa ng the rest. So, ito na siya. Maganda yung plating, no? Magaling talaga ito mag-plating. Feel na feel ko rin yung pagpe-plating nito. Ang ganda at ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang dami kong nakain talaga. And this is Tiana, her daughter, and she's making the blueberry serving for me. Gusto mo niya akong i-serve ng blueberry pancakes. So, ayan, with black coffee. Tapos ng masayang chikahan, pauwi na ako with Bitbit. And ito na ako ngayon, nag-aantay ng tamang bus kasi actually naligaw ako. Mali yung bus na sanakyan ko. So, nag-aantay ako dito ng bus pabalik kung saan ako nanggaling para makauwi. And here is a video of a city cow while waiting for the bus. Napansin ko lang siya. Ayan, grazing happily. Sana naman makakain siya naman maayos na damo. Ayan, nag-stop na pala yung rain, yung ulan. Libre yung pamasahe ngayon. Nagtataka ako ba't walang number. Then sabi ng asawa ko, it's free. At hindi rin ako siningil ng conductor. And on the left side is females, for females. And on the right side pala ng bus is usually for males and couples. And ito na tayo, pauwi na. So, medyo malinis ang daan ngayon. Hindi bumaha. Naayos na nila yung drainage. And ito yung mga bit-bit ko pauwi. Chicken, kape, Milo. And mag-start na ako mag-work. Happy working!